To check your transaction history on Distribution 2026, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Login. Access the Distribution 2026 website and enter your login credentials. Make sure to use the correct username and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, locate the main dashboard. This is typically the first page you see after logging in and contains various options related to your account. Step 3. Find the transaction history section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the date range. If applicable, choose the date range for the transactions you wish to view. This option allows you to filter your history to find specific transactions more easily. Step 5. Review your transactions. After selecting the desired date range, review the list of transactions displayed. You can click on individual transactions for more details if needed. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Distribution 2026. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.